I am Barton Black with Barton Black Law, and I'm frequently asked by business owners, what's the difference between 1099s, independent contractors, and W-2 employees? The main differences are the control that an employer has over an employee, whether an employee brings their own tools, instrumentalities, supplies to the workplace, and whether the employee or contractor brings independent expertise, such as a vendor or a consultant, to the workplace. The reason that those differences matter is that an employer has to decide whether or not they're going to put somebody on the payroll and pay them as a W-2 employee, do withholding taxes, pay unemployment taxes, or whether they're going to pay them as a 1099 and just pay them their full wage, what they earn, and not withhold any taxes. The reason it's such a big decision is that if you get it wrong, the consequences can be dire. The IRS polices whether or not employers categorize their employees or contractors properly. If an employer chooses to designate somebody that works for them as a contractor, they may actually get it wrong. The IRS has an extensive set of factors that determines whether or not somebody really is a contractor or an employee. The decision is not the employer's decision to make. You want to get it right, because if you designate someone as a contractor instead of an employee and you don't withhold payroll taxes, then down the road the IRS could come back and say, you know what, that person really was an employee. You should have been withholding employment taxes for years, and you could be hit with a big tax bill. It also hits in the Georgia Unemployment Office. If you have employees that you've classified as contractors, then you're likely not paying Georgia unemployment taxes. But what happens is you terminate a contractor, don't renew their independent contract anymore. They go to the Georgia Unemployment Office, and all of a sudden you've got a letter saying, hey, we've got somebody here who we think is an employee. You don't have any unemployment taxes paid for them, and you're hit with the situation where the Department of Labor will say, you know what, this was really an employee, and you've got to pay several years of back unemployment taxes. So it's a very important question that you need to get right on the front end. Employers need to get it right to protect them from being hit with big penalties on the back end. I am Barton Black with Barton Black Law, and we help business owners protect their business.